Welcome to Family Recipe Ghar. Today we are going to make a paneer frankie, and to begin with I have already taken a kadhai with some oil in it which is now hot. Now I'm going to add into it 2 finely chopped onions and wait till it becomes a little golden brown. So while the onion was cooking, I have added a wee bit of ginger garlic paste, about a teaspoonful, and now that it has gotten incorporated into it, I am adding a little bit of jeera powder, coriander powder and garam masala powder, each 1 tablespoon or 1.5 teaspoons. Now mix this thoroughly and let it cook. After sauteing all this for about a minute, now I am adding 2 chopped tomatoes into this. So why I'm doing it this way is because we like it crunchy and we'd like to taste the tomato and the onions. But if you would like the curry to be a smooth paste, then you can probably grind the onion into a paste, and also you take tomato puree and add instead, where it will become like a smooth curry. But we do prefer it like this. Now while it's still cooking, add salt to taste, and after this we'll be adding about 2 tablespoons of curd. We are waiting for this to become a little mushy. So while we are still waiting for this curry to get done, we will be cutting our paneer into small cubes, about 200 grams of paneer, and boiling it with water so that it becomes soft and soggy. Now that our mixture has turned a little mushy, I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of curd into it. Looks yummy, doesn't it? Now we are going to add our paneer into this mixture and give this a good stir so that each piece of paneer is coated with the curry. So there goes, our curry looks almost ready. Now I'm going to let it cook for about 2 minutes so that all the paneer can take up the flavor of the gravy that we cooked before. If you would like a little more runny sauce, then maybe you could add about 1 more tablespoon of curd, but I like it dry like this because otherwise it will drip from your frankie. So I will cook this for about 2 minutes and then we will lay our frankie stuff together. Now we are going to lay our frankie. So the good thing about a frankie is that you can add in any amount of flavors and any amount of additional things. Though I'm going to use this cheese and chili sandwich spread, you can also use butter and cheese, which just makes it more yummy. Apart from this, now I have something called as a frankie masala, which contains equal amounts of jeera powder, coriander powder, garam masala powder and amchur powder. Or if you don't have amchur readily available at home, you can probably use chaat powder as well. It gives it a little zing. So apart from this, what I have been doing is I have sauteed a little vegetables because goes well with this paneer crunch. So I'm not adding onions and tomatoes into this spread. I have taken carrot, cabbage and capsicum and sauteed them in olive oil, added a little bit of salt and pepper, because if you remember, we did not add any red chili into our curry. So otherwise, if you're planning to use only the paneer, you can always just add red chili powder into our paneer in spread. So I have taken a normal chapati, but you can also use the maida base, but chapatis are way healthier than maida. So first we are going to apply a layer of the sandwich spread on this, and then sprinkle a little bit of amchur powder. So we are going to sprinkle some frankie masala all over this. It's better that you sprinkle it over the mayo so that it is uniformly available for every bite that you take. Now over this, we are gonna definitely add a layer of the veggies. If you like a plain paneer one, then you can just add that paneer into this and eat it. Else I would prefer the vegetarian one. This is the way you have to lay the frankie. So we've done a layer of vegetables and now we've done a layer of the paneer. Uniformly spread it on the center and wrap it now. And now our yummy frankie is ready. You can add a little bit of grated cheese over this if you like, or you can even add only the vegetables, and of course you can add it with mayo or any fat-free dressings that's available too. This is healthy, this is quick, and this is very filling. Have fun making it and do let us know if you like it. Enjoy.